So this is a turkey tail soup with rice and corn and carrots, onion, garlic. We put some baby corns in there and celery, just some pepper, and it's got a lovely mushroomy flavor. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to top it with these fried up hericium. So this is comb tooth mushroom. That'll be extra tasty. And then after that, some chopped bok choy greens. So yeah, really simple meal, just soup and all these really lovely medicinal mushrooms to add some healthy punch and some lovely flavor to my soup. Recipe for this will be in the notes on the YouTube channel, so just look below for the full recipe. It's made with a chicken stock, but you can also make it with a vegetable stock if you want to make it vegetarian or vegan. Yeah. And then I just cooked some rice, added as much as I wanted into it, sauteed all the vegetables. There's very little oil in this and just a hell of a lot of nutrients.